So we're all envious of somebody or something that they have from time to time, how much ever we try not to be. But in a land of bettering ourselves, I think we need to be happy for others and we need to find a way to be happy in their success. See, supposing you're successful, you have a good job, you have a great boss, you're getting enough money to be happy in your life, but still you will compare yourself with somebody that has more. Somebody that is driving maybe a BMW which you may not be able to afford, or somebody is wearing branded clothes, somebody has just got engaged, somebody has an amazing life, somebody is going on all of those trips. So you will always want more, you will always keep comparing yourself with somebody else. How can you be happy then, right? Your friend doesn't do well, you feel very bad. Your friend does extremely well, becomes extremely successful, you feel extremely bad. Why is that happening? It's because you're in a constant comparison with somebody else. You are not happy with what you have achieved, and you are always looking for something that you desire the most in somebody else's life. If your being is determined by 10 other people, then you are a mess. And this is where envy comes into play. And envy is not jealousy. Envy is when you feel that the other person who has achieved something don't deserve what they have achieved. It is toxic, it corrodes you, and it is very dangerous. Now, why is it dangerous? So deep in your heart, you have that feeling that since the other person became successful, or that other person got to go on that expensive trip, and you feel they have taken away the opportunity from you. But what you people are not thinking is that there are infinite opportunities in this universe, infinite opportunities that the world has to offer to you. You are living your life in a conflict with the fundamental laws in which the world works. When you think about possibilities, when you think about abundances, when you think about the way in which the world works, you will know that there are infinite number of opportunities for you to achieve what you want, and for everybody in this world to achieve whatever they want. You don't need to be in a constant competition with everybody else around you, and you don't have anything to prove to others what your worth is. And the best part about this is when you see somebody else and they have something that you've always desired, you're supposed to feel happy for them. You know why? Because that is a sign that is telling you that it's possible to achieve it, that it's possible for you. If they have found a way to achieve something, obviously you will find a way to achieve that same thing by yourself. So now, how do we get rid of this feeling? How do we fight it? First and foremost thing, never fight it. Whenever you feel that you're getting envious of somebody, whenever you feel somebody's success is bothering you, you need to pick it up and throw it away. But that does not mean that you're suppressing it, because then it will come out in an uglier form. Just feel whatever you're feeling, let it flow, but put it to good use, right? For example, they have a lot of followers on their Instagram handle. Let's just take that example. Then you see what they have done. You can take some tips from them, or you can think about how to better your profile. You can think about what extra new things you need to put, what other people might be interested in, something like that, and you can put it to good use. So take action. That is the main thing that you need to do, and not sit and sulk about, oh, they've got more followers than me, oh no, what would I do about it? No, you shouldn't sit and sulk about it, but think about how to better yourself so that you can go forward in your life. Second thing is the filter factor. Okay, this is a very important thing, because nowadays in social media we see that everybody is putting up statuses about maybe their trip, or they got some new clothes, or they got a new car, or they got something really fancy, and always it's all happy, 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 happy. Have you ever wondered how one person's life can be this happy? It's because they filter it out, right? Nobody will want to put up their sadness on social media, that maybe that they broke up with somebody, or they lost their job. Nobody's gonna put that up on social media, barring a few, but most of them don't, right? So you don't know what is the bad stuff or the sad stuff that is going on in somebody else's life. They will only put up what they want you to see. So never judge yourself based on their success. Keep that as an inspiration if you want to, but never let them put you down. The main thing is count your blessings. Whatever you have, first be happy with it. Learn to love whatever you have. And after that, go after the things that other people have got. First itself, if you feel that you have nothing, whatever you have is crap, the other person has everything great, then you're never going to be happy. And don't try to get validation from others. That is when everything starts going wrong. When another person has done the same work that you have done and he has gotten validation but you have not. Everybody's praising his work, everybody's telling that he is very talented and all of it, when you have been doing the same thing from much more time than he has. You will feel dejected and you might give up. But never do that. You don't need validation from anybody for that matter, to continue your work. If you feel you're good enough, if you feel you're making a difference, if you're enjoying what you're doing, more than enough. Keep doing it, keep at it, and hard work always pays off. So guys, this is something that I wanted to put across, and hopefully you will take a message from this, and it's better to be happy with your friends for their success and not get too envious about them. Put it to good use yourself. Do not let other people control the way you perceive yourself, and just rise above everybody else on your own terms. So if you've liked this video and if you've enjoyed it, if you've found it helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.